Welcome, 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 everyone. Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you're at. Hope everyone is well. I wasn't able to make it to London session earlier on, so I decided to do a special New York stream. Oops, not alarm. 5 minutes before getting my open. Oh yeah, that was good. All right. So yeah, so here this is more or less straightforward here. We're looking for sales on gold at the moment. We're looking for a breakout here. Then we're looking for a wick up, break the previous candle low to continue to the downside. That's it. Simple as that. Simple as that. Simple as that. As you can see, we've been making some lower lows, lower highs here. So despite we failed to break under, so let's just mark this here. So we had high here, this high here made, right? We had this high, we had this low, right? We had this low. But then when we came up here, we feel we came back down, but we feel to come under this low, right? So there is still a chance it could continue down, but we'll have to see because right now these are the only two structures, right? So price would have to break one of them to like kinda decide where you wanna go because this is like you're gonna make like minor structure on the inside. So like right now, look at this candle. More or less wanna come down. So yeah, just a matter of waiting for it right now at this point. So should be alright. Basic analysis here today. Basic analysis here today. seem to be getting a setup here potentially. So, and I think this, yeah, didn't break to the downside. Anyways, let's see if we get a nice closure here. We need a week up. We need that week up. We need a week up. Yeah, there we go. Then we need an entry. We need a break of those lows to continue to the downside. And I want to be as sharp as possible on this trade. Let's do this. And now we're just waiting for a break of the low right now. If we can get it, we need the break of the low. Okay, we got a nice break here. Over. Oh God, this almost messed that up there. Okay, so that looks like NY volume there. That looks like NY volume there, and we should be able to continue bearish here. We should be able to continue bearish, yeah. Should be able to continue bearish, yeah. Also the first 5 minutes here, closing bullish as well, most likely. So we have a very clean range here to the downside, right? 80 pips. We have very clean range here to the downside. So most likely, yeah, we could continue all the way down. Yeah, most likely we could continue all the way down here. Yep, I think that's very possible here. Very, very, very possible here. Let's see. There we go, 15 pips. Yeah. So at this point here, I'll move stops. Mm, I don't want to mess up the consistency score for this thing. My biggest day was 6. Yeah, that was 6. So let me see something here. I could go 50 pips. 50 pips would be good on this account. 45 pips. Okay. Okay. So at this point, move stops to break even, but see now my entry supposed to be right there. So let's put it where entry supposed to be. I prefer do that than to move the price at break even itself, right? Or I could just move it above, like right here, because the price shouldn't flip back bullish here if it wanna continue down. So let's see. Yeah, it didn't even reach nowhere here. Actually, it didn't even reach nowhere here. That's the level here. Once it hit that level here, I may exit. Yeah, it didn't even reach that level here. It's London Open. It's London Open. Let's see. Let's see. New York Open. Sorry. Such a London guy. Yeah. Okay, so we continue down a bit more. Um, we're up here. How much is that? 1%. I mean, hey, that's good though. Yeah, that's good. That's good enough. 20, 25 pips. Should be able to continue down there. Should be able to continue down there. Should be able to continue down. Okay, there is that zone. I want it broken. Right, so I'll close here. I'll close here. Um, yeah, I'll close here. Yep, that's a trade. Yeah, let it continue down, but yeah, I'm good with that. I'm really good with that. I'm really good with that. That's a trade here. That's a trade here. So, um, this is why I be trading like NY session, man. You get some nice moves in NY session. Sometimes, like holding it, no, I don't really like holding it during NY session, but this was a nice one. This was a very nice trade, and most likely it's gonna continue down. Most likely, it's a very high probability trade. But there is a chance it could pause in this area here, despite we have volume. So let me just highlight this. So despite we have volume, there is this zone here, right? That price could possibly reject. That's how I look at price, right? So I just want to be mindful of that. That's all. But it's not a bad trade. Rejected. Notice all the wicks above here, right? We failed to come higher. Flip here is the 4 hour. Most likely coming all the way down. Yeah. And once it closes here now, like there is nothing else, more or less nothing else for the rest of the day. Unless it pulls back and all that, but I don't think we're gonna have anything else for the day. I think this is the only. I think this the only move here. Holy shit, this shit is blinding. What the hell? So we're getting a little bit of push back here. But the 15 is about to close. See what's gonna happen here. But that's it for us. trade took, how long did the trade take here? Open time 3 minutes pass. We closed 11 minutes pass. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. 8 minutes trade. Not bad. Not bad. Man, I should stream New York more often, huh? Look at that rejection. See what I was saying? Like, there is this zone here. So despite we have New York volume, right? Despite having New York volume, this zone here, like seeing this pullback at this zone, that's why I didn't bother when it pulled back earlier on before it reached the zone. It did give a pullback, but I'm like, okay, cool. It should still continue down to, again, the levels I have on this is more or less very accurate. You see that price go? You see that price go? Look at that. You see that price go to the first one, the green one, or it goes to the half, right? It's either one, like, and then you're gonna see some type of reaction. And it just so happened that this zone fall in the same area, so it just makes sense when it hits that level, just close, right? That's just what it is sometimes. That's just how it is sometimes. So that's what I was aware of, right? And again, most the reason why I have this, um it's a fib. I did a customized fib. The fib tool is just for target. It's a fib tool just for target. So the levels I have here is custom levels from my experience and watching, like, the distance price would move for the most part is it almost always touches this green zone before rejecting. Almost always, no matter the zone, the size of the zone you have, it almost, if it wants to pull back, it will pull back after touching the zone. Alright, so that's one thing I've had. So I kind of know, like, I could gauge it. Like, I've been trading it for a long time. So man, I always think that freaking that mute button is on here, like my previous headset. Gotta go to call here. There we go. Price decided you wanna go down. Yeah, I wasn't gonna take that draw down though. Not no, it would not have been drawn down. It would not. Yo. Oh, seems like we're coming down here. I mean, this range here is clean enough, you know. It's clean enough. It's clean enough. Give it time. It's only been 23 minutes since this candle been open, so give it time. Give it time. Could still go all the way down. The thing about it, once it comes all the way down, that's it. There's nothing else, man. Like no sense trying to take buys at any point here. No sense trying to take buys. So I want to analyze US 30 though. I want to see what's available on US 30 here. Ooh, we have a gap here. Okay. Okay, I didn't realize that. We got a gap here on US 30. Ooh. And this is the top of the range here. This will be the target. That's a big range. Wow. What are we looking like over here? Oh, we just closed above it. Oh, nice. So we need a pullback into this level to continue to the upside. Okay, fair enough. That'll be good. That would be good. Oh, no. No, no, no. This gap down. Okay, so this is the 4 hour, the same gap. This is a 4 hour. This is a 4 hour high here. Because we're supposed to close here and go down. So since we gap, this is our new resistance. Oh yeah, this is it. Okay, this looks way cleaner on the 2 hour. Holy shit. Okay. Um. Okay. This looks good. Let's also target it for a high. Yeah, this looks really good. What the daily is looking like here? Since we got oh, that's the daily resistance as well. That's very nice to know. And that's it, the daily week here. Okay. Let me just highlight this. Just be mindful of it. That's all. Oh yeah, so US 30 we could probably get some bars. Yeah, I'm not interested right now. After this session. So 1 minute. I'll be right back. Oh, I'll just put it in just put it there. is our pullback, right? Um, yeah. So notice what happening here. Again, let me put it back up. This is the range. All right, this is the range. See, have all this stuff in the center here as well. So yeah, yeah. Anyways, this is yeah, this is not bad at all. This is a very yeah, that pullback is just yeah. Yeah. So if this candle closes like this, like bullish, right? Wick bullish in the next 23 minutes, then we could take a sell if it breaks the low, continue down. This will be 22 pips, right? And then all the way down here will be 50 pips. So there is still a chance for us to catch a next trade here. Possibly. Again, still keep being mindful that if you look at the structure here, you'll see we have lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and it could be forming a higher low, right? Disregarding this to the left here, the immediate structure is bullish, right? So we still have to be mindful of that. Yeah, so a close like that, like way down here, weak bullish candle, that would be awesome. But what would have to happen? This 15-minute candle will have to close bullish, right? Then the next 15-minute candle, second 15-minute candle, would have to close bearish and push back the candle. So the 30-minute would end up closing very small. And then we could break, it will be support at that point. And then once we break it, we should be able to continue down. Again, it will give the 1 hour a nice bearish close together with the 4 hour. It's going to be a nice 4 hour closure as well. So keep that in mind. Well, we'll see. I guess nothing on the NPS, huh? 22 pips. Should be like 40, yeah, 50 pips, 40, 50 pips. This didn't pull back at all. It closed above here. I continue running. Yo, alright. Ooh, yeah. Be right back one more time. So this is why I can't stream. I can't stream during New York session. I'm always moving, man. New York is a busy. Always got shit doing. Always got some shit doing. So um, All right. Okay. All right. So this is the closure. This is the closure we are looking for, right? The first 15 minutes, we wanted a bullish closure. Now, the second 15 minutes, we want we want a bearish closure here now, right? So see how it's pulling back? We want a bearish closure here. So like this, right? So we want a bearish closure here to continue down. So then the 30 minute will close very weak. That's what we're looking for. If we get a strong bullish closure here, I wouldn't take the buys. I wouldn't take the buys. I don't want to take the buys. But because again, we're in that immediate upturn, right? So we could come back into the zone. But this will be the 4 hour closure. So let's see how it closes. If it don't close strong, then you know, more or less we could take buys to fill the wick, huh? Could do a wick fill here. If it yeah, could do somewhat of a wick fill or something. Yeah, look at that 1 hour. That's a horrible 1 hour candle there. So we already have this here. We need this candle to close, then we could know what we're doing. So what could happen is that we could get a move to the upside, right? We could get a nice move to the upside here, but we have to wait for the candle to close because this can pull all the way back and close bearish like we wanted it to, right? That could still happen. So you just have to be mindful of that. I won't be taking any buys here though. I won't be taking any buys there. But it would be a nice trade to take here, I think. Yeah, I think it would be a nice trade here. Based on the stops, maybe I might trade something, but I'm not willing to. Yeah, you gotta be like a very tight stop. Again, it's a 4 hour about to close, and this 1 hour. Yeah, it's it. Yeah, not really a big fan of this. Because if we close bullish, then we have break of the high. We have 17 pips until the next. Actually, not 17. 26 pips. 26 pip range. This is the 1 hour here. This is the 1 hour closure here. Yeah, that's the 1 hour high there. So break out the high. Continue up. Again, we can't enter on the candle closure. Stop loss is too big. Right? If we use the 15, maybe, but 15 still looks like 27 pips, right? So yeah, let it do its thing, man. Let it do its thing. We're chilling. 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 So um, let's see. Oh, I need to pose this different. Edit pose. This needs to be on the. This is needs to be different. Mm-mm. This needs to be different. Yeah, I think now and then doing this oh, we already caught this, so doing this doing this special streams for New York, kind of nice. Maybe I would start doing it a little more often. Now and then, Think I got a new thumbnail just for the New York stream. Yeah, I don't see any buys here, man. So we're just gonna chill. We seem to be having a nice closure here. Yeah, somewhat bullish, somewhat of a bullish closure here. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this at all. At all. There's no range here. Right now, I'm just looking for potentially like to get some sort of pullback to continue taking sales. I think what would be best here to get a 1 hour wick fill type something. Yeah, that would be ideal. I even the freaking 4 hour wick fill. But I think we're gonna pull back. Yeah, there's nothing here. Can't take a trade in this. I've yet to fix this freaking audio, man. I think after this stream I'll try to fix it. I don't get why the music needs to be that pronounced. Yeah, my other oh, I think I know why. Actually, I think I know why. Yeah, I think I know why. The settings here. Oh yeah, I think I know why. Let me go in here to tech audio. I think I know why. Oh man, volume, man, volume, volume. Let me see something here. Still happening, right? Yeah, it's still happening. Hmm. Weird. Really weird. Make the front and right output devices. So I make the front and right output devices. Some type audio jack. Testing one, two. Oh, okay, yeah, it's good now. Huh. I have to work on this. I'll figure it out. So yeah, we got nothing here. There's nothing here. Nothing is going on. Week 4 hour, week 1 hour, big rejection though. But yeah, this is unsafe. I mean, those who got balls could enter here, stops on 15 to continue to the upside, 40 pips, 40, 50 pips to the upside. It's potentially there. It's potentially there. So, um, yeah, I think the audio fixed. I'm not really seeing the feedback, the music. Okay, let's see what the other let's see what the other stuff is looking like, huh? Yeah, so let's see what the other stuff is looking like. So we didn't get a closure beneath here for Pong Yen, but um, yeah, it wasn't. Yeah, it was a little too close. A little too close. Maybe some support. Oh, we have this zone here too, and this is a rough zone. This is not a clean zone. Yeah, I don't see anything, man. I don't see anything. I don't see anything here. Entry could have been here, but this not a nice closure, man. This is not a nice closure. So this is not a nice closure. It's a rejected candle. So wouldn't be wise to take this trade here. Like I if this one closes right here now, then we could like wake up, break the low, we could continue down. But besides that, there isn't anything, man. For gold, I'm looking for a resistance to form here of some sort. If resistance forms here, then we can continue down into this range for 40 pips. Ah, less, I don't know. But we'll need to see what the. Because we're at the 1 hour highs here. I think what will happen, I think what we could get here is a rejection from the 1 hour highs, right? I think we could get a rejection from the 1 hour highs and then create a bearish candle here, right? Maybe on the 15th, we could reject on the 15th and create some sort of resistance on the 15th or the 30 to continue back down. That's what I think could happen here. That's what I think could happen here. So Okay, so there's a move up. Now we can continue going all the way up. Preferably, I think the safest bet is to get a closure above here. We want buys above 30.27, 30.28. Look at that, wrong number. So we want a closure above here in order to continue up. Yeah, that's the only place to take buys. So we're gonna put this buys above here. That's the only place we're taking buys. We ain't taking buys anywhere else, right? So yeah, I think this zone here, I think we could reject here. Could reject here, and if we reject here with farm resistance, we can continue to the downside. Because you have to look at it from the perspective of, okay, the time, right? So this is this is New York here, right? So this highlighted area is New York session. This is what it's been so far, right? You could say it's been bearish, right? Because since we opened, we moved down, right? Since this is pre-New York right here, right? This is pre-New York. This is like 6 o'clock is actually still pre-New York, right? And then you have like 7, right? And then um you have 8, right? Open. We move down from since um 7. We moved up a little bit. We rejected, and then we start moving bearish. Nice, clean bearish candles. Now we have nice, clean bullish candles. We need a rejection. We got a rejection down here, right? So let's see if New York will break its own highs up here, continue up, or if we're gonna form resistance and continue back into this range. So at the very least, what we could get here is, what would be nice to get is a rejection here, form resistance to continue back into this range, but not necessarily breaking the low, because this would be a high probability setup, right? Considering that it's in its own range, right? We're not getting a breakout of the New York highs or New York lows, right? If we look back, this is um, London. All right, so these are London lows here, right? So these are London lows here. So there's, yeah, yeah, that's London lows here. Yeah, we may continue up. This is the open here for, yeah. Let's see. All we can do is wait. I think I fixed the mic though. I think I fixed the mic. I think I fixed the mic. No, I didn't. I didn't. Certain songs, it's still, I don't know, man. What did she take here? She took sales. Wow, sales on Nasdaq. Why? Why did you take sales here? Oh, she took it here. What was her TP? Her TP was, what time frame is this? Is it 1 hour? That was the 1 hour. Was this it? No. What time frame was this? Our target was 20. Ooh. This was last night, right? Yeah, she had a big target here. Holy shit. Oh, that's okay. I get why it's different. Okay. Yeah, I guess I won't get not my US 30 as well today. So we close very strong here for the 15 minutes, right? Very strong closure here. Remember, we at 1 hour resistance here, so play calm. Gotta play calm here, right? As for the 15-minute time frame, this would be over buys above here, right? So we have 47 pip up here. That's the rejection I'm looking for. That's the rejection. See that reaction there? That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking for. Right? That's what I'm looking for there. Actually barely tapped the 30-minute high there. Would have been nice. It would have been better if it had touched the 30-minute high. But that's the reaction I'm looking for. Like again, 1 hour resistance, right? So I wanted to pull back, and this would more or less be a flip of the 1 hour if we continue down here. Right? That's what we're looking for. Let's see. what's the name of this fucking printer again? Okay. I got so much fucking shit trying to do here now. Okay. MG. Yo, what's up, Malik? What's up, Malik? Yeah, man, that's what we're looking for here. Nice rejection, close bearish here, wick up, break the low for SE open. Nice little sales here, potentially. That's what we're waiting for. That's what we're waiting for. That 1 hour rejection here. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for. So we will need a wick up and then break up the low. Then we in. This is not bad. Like 43, 42 pip range. Yeah, man. Like I break that shit down. It'll go back in the stream. I break this whole shit down. Like what I'm looking for to happen. If you look here on, that's why I have this level here, right? So this is the 1 hour. So more or less anticipating the rejection of the 1 hour to continue down because we're more or less bear. This is New York session so far, right? So we're more or less bearish for New York session, right? Price mostly moved bearish for New York session since the open, and we're in this range. So the likeliness of or the probability of it continuing down back just into the range here is higher than it breaking the levels, the high or the low, right? So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. If I don't like it, I just stay away. Okay. Well, the stops would be on current candle. So after this candle closes, right? Um, we would want a wick up. So the wick up will be our stops, and then when it break the low, that would be our entry. So entry below the wick, and then that's why we want a wick up, right? If we get a nice wick up, then we know we don't want much. Again, this is a new 4 hour candle, right? It already make it top wick, in my opinion. I think we could fill this previous 4 hour wick here. At least halfway. Halfway will be the bottom here. Not halfway, but yeah. I think we will come down here, man. It's a 40 pip range. We could get 20 pips from it. But stops. That's why we don't want the 30 to close too strong. We want it to close very weak. Right? So if it closes weak here, then the probability of the sales will be a lot higher. right? No more than 20 pip stop though. No more than 20 pip stop. I already take a trade already. Like that trade was what was it? Let me see something. This was a trade here. 24 pips I got from it. Stops was roughly 24. I enter bad. Too late. On the next account, I entered sharp, sharp, sharp. It was a nice clean entry. Yeah, next account I got yeah like 30 pips from it. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, bro. Hey, it's been me here for a lot of time, bro. If you go back, if you watch the live section of the channel, bruh, it's mostly me, man. Some people come through, but for the most part, it's me alone here. But it's all good. Again, remember London session. Not much people are gonna be here. So, oh, let me plug this shit in. Oh, it's already in. Man, my alarms be going off here. Okay, got SE open coming up here. 5 minutes. Okay. By the way, bro, how's the audio? How is the audio? Audio good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Music too. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, I need to start making some clips of my stream. Like just clipping it, winners, losses. Um, yeah, and start putting that shit. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Yeah. Gotta show them who's a real streamer, huh? Yeah, man. This is fun for me though. I'm not gonna lie. It's fun. Like I always been like the person to want to stream. 'Cause I started streaming game and stuff before. Like back in 2018, 2019. But I never did YouTube. I was on Mixer when Mixer came out. I went to Mixer. I never liked Twitch. I don't really like Twitch like that. The discoverability is so like low. So I was like, you know what, YouTube is better. Discoverability here is way easier. Although, and I'm not even pushing like I'm not really pushing content. But yeah, man, yeah, man. I wish those days I came across the content. I wish those days I had come across the content because already during that time I I ended up doing some social streaming gaming, but that's the time I built my system. Yeah, man, like I was doing a lot of gaming, and I wanted to do all I knew. So I built a system, and all I knew I wanted to do something online. I wanted to find something to do online. That's all, and that's why I tried this streaming, the gaming stuff. It didn't really work out. It didn't really work out. So after I found trading, that was it. I was like, yeah, that is the online shit I want to do. Yeah, man. Man, I could sit, like, I'm even considering, bro, I'm even considering um streaming London and New York. But New York would be hard for me. I won't be able to stream every day in New York because I'm always like, if you look through the stream, I'm always getting up and leaving because I have so much shit going on right now. Morning time is very hectic for me. But yeah. Okay, so this is our closure here. Not a nice closure. We have nothing here on gold. Nothing here on gold. Pong Yen. Ooh. We got yeah, I'm not that busy, man. I'm busy, but like, you know, got 20 people range here for Pong Yen. Not good enough. Gold, on the other hand, I think gold gonna reject up here and make a resistance. We need a resistance on the 30 to continue pushing down. US 30 on the other hand. Ooh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. We closed bearish and we broke the high. Okay, let's see what we got here. US 30 broke the high, filling that gap. Mm, yeah, we need some type of support here from before indices push up. Ooh, rejection US 30. Holy shit. Yeah, bro. Here's your favorite pair, US 30. That shit is behaving wild. Oh, that shit is behaving wild. Let's watch it on trading on here. Yeah, that shit is behaving wild, bro. Wild, 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 wild. So as we close bearish here on US 30, I think what we need is that pullback from this zone here. We need a pullback here. Where it is here. Wait. Oh, here it is actually. It's up here. So this is the zone here, and then we have target up here. Right, so this is what we're rejecting here. Hold on. What is 30 minutes showing here? Oh, so it didn't. Wait a minute. Why is this showing such terrible? Um, is this showing terrible data here? This is showing terrible data here. This data is not accurate. Man, I hate when that happens. Oh, you need a closure here. First 5 minutes. First 5 minute closure, bro. Did you take a supply and demand trade here? Demand trade here. Yeah, this is 67 pips. It's a lot of pips. I don't think I'm gonna take this though. I'm just chilling, man. I mean, closing above here is good, but yeah. I think right here we wait for gold. Okay, so there is a push, right? So that's I wanted to see this push here, right? To for this resistance here. So this isn't. Oh shit! I got a call there. Yeah, more calls again, bro. Okay, yeah. So on US 30, you wanna break off the high, and I think we can get 5 minutes here entry. Stops more or less here. The body of the candle probably. I don't know. I'm not gonna take. I'm not gonna take US 30. Yeah, US 30 just behaving wild, man. Not gonna take this. Not gonna take this at all. Not gonna take this at all. Gotta wait for a break in previous candle high. So you wait for a break above here to continue up on US 30. That's some insane stops, bro. That's 77 pips for now. It's a big stop. I prefer a closure, like a bullish closure. I prefer a bullish closure of some sort. You know what I mean? Yeah, a big stop. Yeah, bro. That's some massive stops. I think all we need here is like some type of um like are we retesting this area here, right? I think yeah, I think buys is appropriate at some point here, but just need to wait for it. Wait for it to do its thing, man. That's all. Yeah, we ain't got anything here. We ain't got anything here. US. Ooh, gold is gone. And gold is on the move here. Gold is on the move here. Closure above here could continue up, possibly. This is a 50 pip range here based on the 1 hour. You have a 1 hour resistance right here. Let's remove this. Go got some volume coming in here, bro. Seems that way, but no need to enter on crazy volume. I think a closure above here, we could get some buys to go up, break up the wick, break up the high. This zone is rejecting here is the 1 hour zone, but there is volume. So I think if we get a closure here in the next 5 minutes, especially if we close above and in the next 5 minutes reject this zone, I would like to see a retest of this area. I think we can come up into here actually. Yeah, I think we could get closure above here. I think this is appropriate. At this point, I think this is appropriate. Very much appropriate. 5 minute closure. Yeah. So I want here, closure above here. Then the next 5 minutes, wick back into this range. And just reject it or some shit like that. Yeah, that would look good. That would look good. That would look good. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, so we need this 15 to close. Then we could get the break of the high. 36 pip range. Not bad. Yeah, this is what I wanna see here. This this retest of that zone. With the no. So I'm not entering on the 5. I'm entering on the 50. I need the 15 to close first. Waiting on the 15 to close. Need the 15 to close, yeah. I just wanted to see this last 15 minutes before the last 5 minutes before the 15 close. I wanted to see it retest this zone, and it happened, right? Because this is a 30-minute zone. We close above, so it did that. So yeah, let's just see. Probably stops would have to be on an 85-minute candle. It's safe. It's a safer stop. But if it continue pushing, oh shit, it's gone. It's gone. Oh yeah, it's gone. No trade. No trade, no trade, no trade. No trade here. No trade, no trade, no trade. Yeah, that should push up 10 pips there. Like, no, yeah. No trade. It's too deep. It's too deep in the range now. It's too deep in the range. Right? Like, you almost more or less fill 50% of the range already. It's, yeah. We need to wait for some type of pullback. Yeah, so maybe at 30 minutes, somewhat of a pullback, and then we could continue to the upside. But yeah, good. I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. So, bro, I've been trading I've been trading an account here, and it's been what happened? I need to have a consistency score, right? And bro, this shit is not like it's fucked up because like the more you gain on the account, the higher the the more you gain per day, like end of day balance, is the higher you have to, is the more profit you have to make, right? So right now I'm up like 1500 on the account, right? And my consistency score is like 39 because I had a big day, which was like $606. So it have to be like 15% of like some, I can't remember the calculation, but I have to more or less trade until I reach like about 4 grand in order to get the payout. You have to request the payout. So I've been super consistent with it, and I sort of like the style. It's an instant funded account. But 15% consistency is hard. Not 50, bro. 1 5. 1 5. 1 5 is not easy, bro. Yep. 1 5, man. Yeah, bro. That shit is fucking insane. Afterwards, I'm like, yeah, that shit is not easy. That shit is not easy. So right now, as it stands, the balance to make in order to receive a payout is would be, I think it's like 4 grand, 4 grand and $4 or something like that, or 4 grand 24 or something like that. So it's not like, again, I don't really have a problem with it because it helps you remain like so freaking like disciplined, real discipline. Like it's insane, bro. It's insane. But I'm doing good, man. Like I'm doing okay. But man, started the account, and I can't even. What's the leverage on this account? Hold on, let me see if I get the leverage on the account for you. Man, the leverage is not even like that. Where can I find the leverage? Um, where's the leverage, man? Yeah, that's true. That's why I like funded accounts that control your trading. Yeah, to a degree, right? Like it helps you become a lot more disciplined. I think even I need to find. Let me try. I'm trying to find the account details. Um. Oh, let me. I think I'll find it here. Mm, yeah, it controls the trading real good, man. It really does control your trading. Aqua Funded is the company. Aqua Funded is the company. Um, where do I find the Instant Pro 50K account? That's what I got. Where do I get the leverage, man? I can't see I think it's in the rules. Models. Okay, there we go. Instant funded models. Right. Let's see if I could find it here. Right, bro. Here is the leverage, right? The leverage is the leverage for um hold on, consequences should be tell us when the capital. Yeah, so the leverage here is basically 1 in 10. No, 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 not 1 in 50. 1 in 10, bro. Oh, holy shit, hold on. We got a closure here on the wow. Okay. Yeah, we're chilling on US 30 here. Not US 30, but gold. Um yeah, so US 30 close bearish here. Yeah. So the yeah, bro, like I can't even the most lots I could put on the account is like for gold it's like a 1.5 or 1.4 or something like that. Like so it also at the same time like you can't lose. Remember, 1% is like $500. 1%. So you can't really lose more than that. It's hard to lose that amount. And my daily is like I think it's 3% or something like that. Drawdown, that's a lot for for not being able to risk anything close to that. That's a lot, bro. That's a hell of a lot. Yeah, for that leverage, but it helps, and this is why it's not bad having um low leverage like that because it's for your own benefit. It's for the trader own benefit, you know. But I think you see your way better with having like longer trades instead of scalping. I think you'll see your way a lot easier with catching more bigger moves. Catching bigger moves would yeah it would benefit you a lot more. Excuse because like for me, like I caught a trade on US 30 um was basically like the hundred and like 70 pips or something like that. Let me see if I find it here. Got a massive trade on US 30 here. Let me see. It was it here. Actually, no. It was 120 pips. 120 pip move. That was Friday, was it? Actually, that was yesterday. That was yesterday. Yeah, man. 120 pip move on US 30 yesterday. So, but it's like it was a nice move, but you know, it wasn't really all that. But yesterday was a good day on the account. Yeah, man. I was the same basic like support and resistance stuff. It's just that yeah, yeah. So it forces you to like know where you could get shit done in like a day or even a week. Maybe you could get it done in a week if you're like swinging trades. Maybe get it done in a week. But like and so basically I need to catch like let's say like 30 pip moves, 40 pip moves. It's gonna be a lot more consistent that way. The account size is 50K. 50K. Account size 50K. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I didn't want to get nothing smaller than that, to be honest. But that account, though, so it's the first time I'm trading like an instant funding account, and I will tell you that, yeah, I guess so, right? Yeah, 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 I guess so. Because those four figures, when you reach 100K, you're dealing with four figures at that point. Yeah, it it really touches you different. So what happened was it's the first time I'm trading an instant funding account. I wanted to see what it was like. And to be honest, the way I trade it for some reason, I just have a different approach to it. It's weird. I have a way different approach to it than doing the phase one, phase two accounts. Aggressive. How do you approach phase one and phase two? Um, to be honest, I've been like in two minds on the approach, but I personally think that the aggressive approach is best for phase one and phase two to reach to the funded stage. I think the aggressive approach is best. I genuinely believe so. I genuinely believe so. I genuinely believe the aggressive way is best. Like for example, let's say most accounts, most companies, they the daily drawdown is like 5%, right? Now, if you find a really good setup, I think you could risk like maybe like 4%, or 2%. Like it makes sense. Like try to pass it as fast as possible. Not by taking a lot of trades, but by taking like one good setup, you know? I think that's the best approach to it. Like you're gonna feel a few, but I think I think that's the best. I think that's the best approach. Like trading a phone in like uh phase one account for like 3 weeks. I don't think that makes sense, bro. I think psychologically, it 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 fucks you up. Psychologically. I think because you're there trading, and it's basically like useless trading to a degree because it's demo money. Like you're not, reach the funding stage yet. So, but you will lose a lot too since you're risking. Well, yes, you of course you're gonna lose accounts like that. Of course you're gonna lose a lot of accounts like that. And yep, hey, that's what it is. But I think like out of 10, if you take trades in like that way, out of 10 accounts, I think you're gonna at least pass like two, right? And hopefully those two could bring back the funds to replace the eight you lost. Understand? Yeah, that's true. It will recover your loss. Yeah, like one period from if you get like this 100K comes at $500 for one, right? So that's what. Yeah. So if you get one period, you should be alright. And again, the next thing is that the payout. Like having a payout plan, I think, is something again that matters. So like when you get funded, like I know you normally try to do like 2%, 1 to 2% or 3% to get your payout. But like to a degree, would it make sense, especially if you don't have much account? Consistent payout, yes. A lot of people go for the consistent payout. I think that's the best way. I think that's the best way to try to get the consistent payouts. Yeah. So you get an account, you get the consistent payouts, and then you get other accounts in the process, right? And you just rinse and repeat for the most part. But I do think in order to like have a significant growth in capital and as a trader, you have to push that part of it. So, for example, you have an account just just to push yourself on to see to maximize your profit as much as possible. And that's the approach I'm looking to take. That's the approach I'm looking to take. Yeah, that's the approach I'm looking to take. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna get any trade here though. I don't find out. I don't not liking how this is looking. And US thought it keep falling, huh? Yeah, I'm not liking none of this. Yeah, I wouldn't be partaking in this here. Ooh, yeah, I wouldn't be partaking in this. More or less done for the day. I'll wait 30 more minutes. I think I'll wait 30 more minutes. If we close like week bearish share or something like that on the 30, let's see this range. Uh, I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I'll wait for this 30 to close. Let's see this 30 closure. Let's see this 30 closure. We closed bullish already here, so all we need is let's see if this 30-minute closes like nice like a wick down and give us something. How's the accounts now, bro? How your accounts doing? I have one funded for now. Oh, okay, okay. Man, I'm I'm trying to get I will try to get a couple accounts under my belt before the year ends. So I know we'll start by more next month. Yeah, I'm going to buy one. There's a move on gold, I guess. We actually not getting anything else. Wow. Wow. Nothing else today, man. That's insane. Moves happen, but just no opportunities to enter, really. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Shit. Yeah. Yeah, but for me, I'm looking to get an account. I want to get an account next week, but I don't think I'll be able to reach that consistency, that target by the 31st. That's next week Monday. So I have like, yeah, roughly 5 days, 5 trading days to try to get the target. Not a target, but yeah, not really a target. It's just that, let's see how, if it already calculated this shit. This shit takes long to calculate as well though. So my daily, let me just actually I could just show you this shit, you know. Hold on, let me open this. Um, by the way, bro, don't forget to give this stream a like, you know. Um, might help out someone, you know. A couple times people come in here and we catch a little trade and they make a little money, you know. So that's always that's always nice. That's always nice. Right. No, this shit here, let me show you this shit. Um, how do I do this again? Oh yeah, here it is. Right, here it is. So this is trades. This is, oh, gold is gone. Oh yeah. I mean, hey, what can we do, bro? This shit is this shit is something else, man. I'm good. I ain't beating up at gold right now. Oh, US 30 is creating support. We create support here, then continue to the upside. That's a possibility here. That's a possibility. So yeah, so this is the days, right? So I started Tuesday, last week Tuesday, right? This is stats. So Tuesday, yeah. So it hasn't been bad. Like yesterday, I was down, so that's why I got the trade, I'm always break even yesterday. But yeah, I had this day. So prior to this 600 here, prior to this 600, my target was around 2 grand, like to reach the consistency, right? Yeah, that's good, man. No losses. I mean, no losing days. I have losses, but that's the days, right? No losing days. It hasn't calculated the one for today as yet. Yeah, I haven't calculated one for today. This is it here. This is it here. For this is the account standing here, right? This is the account standing here. So yeah. So let's see. So all history. Yeah, I take a lot of trades though. But yeah, see. So that's where the account stands right now. So 1600. So I need like 2500 again. Yeah, 2500 again in order to, man, gold is freaking gone, huh? Yeah, I need like 2500 again to like more or less to reach the consistency rule. I think what's the calculation? I think so you gotta make 15% every trade from the highest. No, so okay, so let me just see if I could calculate it here. So my biggest day, right? I think is my biggest day is so 606, right? Um 606.50, right? The biggest day divided by um 15%. Is it divided by 15%? Oh shit. Yeah, 15%. No, 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 no. Hold on, wait. Is it total? The total. Hold on, I'll get the thing. I need the total P&L. You have to use the total P&L with it. I have to subtract. How the fuck you do that calculation again? I forgot how you do that calculation. I really do forget how to do it. Right now it's at 39. Right now it's at 39. So yeah, right now it's at 39. But yeah, I need to bring it up to like yeah. Hold on, let me see something. Where is it? Um, is it one? Hold on, let me see if I can find this shit. 606. I don't think it's that though because divided by 15%. But you have to use the total profit you made so far. I do the total profit. I don't know if you. Yeah, you have to use the total. Okay, look at it here. Right, that is it. 0.5. Right. This is it. So this is the amount I have to make now. I think that yeah, this is the amount I have to make. $4,043. This is the amount I have to make because that would be the 606 would be the not every trade, no. So in total, in order to receive a payout, my total would have to be my total profit would have to be 4,043. So the end of day, so as you can see here, that's my highest day so far, right? 606. So if I make more than 606 a day, then that figure will go up. That total figure I have to make will go up, right? Because you cannot have your biggest winning trade cannot be it have to be 15% of your total profits. Yeah, some shit like that. I think they have hold on, let me find it here. Um okay, right, yeah, look at it here. This is the 15% um consistency rule. So yeah. But the thing what I realize with this type of account is you have to basically like you cannot trade, you can't rush it. It's impossible to rush this type of account. It's impossible. You can't rush it. Because first of all you have low leverage. So it's hard to over risk. You could over trade, but you can't over risk. It's hard to over risk, right? Um and you need days like you need at least a week in order to make the shit. Because again, remember, you you if you make let's say you make 500 today and you're consistently making like 500, it's going to be hard to be within the consistency rule, right? That's the thing about it. Once, unless you're getting a small period. So, for example, before my highest day was the 300. where is it? So this 382 here, right? Bro, would you believe when I made that at that time when I had it 382, I have Google Docs calculator for consider zero. I should have think. Okay, yeah, thanks, bro. Yeah, so when I had 382, right, the profit I had to make was around 2 grand, like low 2 grand, like maybe like 2100 or something. So when I took a trade, right, and the day I made this 606, bro, gold ran, like gold dropped like shit. So I was like, God damn it. I was actually pissed off. I made so much profit that I passed the end of day because then I have to make more profits. Right? So I was a little pissed off, and if I had left it, that end of day would have been like $1,000. But then it would have made my target to get a payout way higher. So anytime I take a trade now, like I really don't want to go past 600 right now. I really don't want to because otherwise I trade in forever. So but I think maybe hopefully once I if I could reach like 500 for the next few days, I think that would be okay. That would be so five. Well, today's three already. Right, today's three some. So tomorrow would be if I could get five, 8,000, five. Yeah, yeah, could accomplish it. Could accomplish it by next week. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible to accomplish it by next week. Yeah, man. This shit takes forever to refresh, man. They take forever to like the 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 shit takes forever to update. Yeah, got it. Yeah, man. Like shit. Again, you remember what happened to me last year, bro? Like we had a shit though. We have it. We have it. We have it. We know what we are about, and that's really it. We know what we are about. We know what we are about. So we just gotta lock it in. And I'm not gonna lie, being on stream helps me trade way better. Like way better. It helps me trade way better, bro. Oh, here's the support, bro, on US 30. 50 pips, that's still a lot. So, yeah, that's too much. That's too much. I think I love trading US 30 when it comes to support and resistance. I love trading US 30 like on the break of the higher lows. I prefer the break of the higher lows. It's a bit it's a bit safer because this should be wilding. So I think it's a bit safer to wait for a break and continue to the upside. Because you see, as you can see here, NAS is pushing to the upside. So it makes sense that SPX, look, SPX start moving as well. So it makes sense that, for a 30-minute close on US 30 and we can push up. We can come into this highs up here. I think it's possible. I think it's possible. Ooh, that rejection on gold. Ooh, that's a rejection on gold there. Anyways, nothing else here, man. Nothing else here. Lock off, give a stream a little more time. We're chilling. Let me call this guy. Calls and calls and calls, man. Whole day. Yeah, bro. Thanks for stopping by, man. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Yeah, you know it goes. Yeah, don't forget to give a like on the stream, you know. I know you already subscribed. It was nice seeing you on the stream. Yeah, man. It's nice to be here for New York, man. New York is not bad. I'm not gonna lie. New York is not bad, man. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. But maybe I'll pop up now and again, here and again, you know. Or maybe I will get a new thumbnail just for New York as well. Think I might do that. Might consider doing that. Might consider doing that. But take it easy, man. Appreciate it. And enjoy the rest of your day, man. Yeah, it's bad when it's news. Yeah, it's horrible when there's news, man. Maybe I should pick the days I don't have news and just stream the days I don't have news. But sometimes I get other work to do and I gotta leave the house and shit like that. So it's hard. It's really hard to not to stream on New York for me. I do appreciate you coming through, man. Yeah, I think that's it for me here as well. Yeah, I think that's it for me. Nothing else going on here. All right, bro. See you. Take it easy. Anything I've seen here is possibly some buys on US 30, but that's it, people. That's it. Um, yeah. So this is where we end here today with this account, right? This is where we end today. 117 bucks. So yeah, I'm out. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow for London session. No more New York session for now. Um, I will try to do some New York sessions going forward, but maybe on days that don't have news. So okay, it would be a waste because I don't really trade news days like that. So yeah. So do have a good one. We'll be back here for London session. 2:30 Eastern. Yeah, tomorrow. All right. Peace.